Hey there, my name is Amy Batchelor with Lodestar SEO. I spoke to Dwayne, who so kindly said I could shoot you over this video. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that COVID has really hurt some businesses, so I just wanted to give back and show you what you can do in order to compete online with your competitors and drive more traffic to your business. I wanted to jump on here real quick and go ahead and go through your site and show you kind of what we think is going to be best for you. So I'm just going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online, okay? The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for, say, air duct cleaning spring, Google crawls websites on the internet searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords, it's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little bit of content, but not a whole lot of content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site, we're probably sitting at about 750 words on this page. Now, you want to make sure that you have keywords that people search for on your site. And I did notice that you have other landing pages, what is it, QRG tech ones, like right here. And you have the words air duct cleaning on there 40 times. Now, Google calls this keyword stuffing and will dock you for it. So you want to minimize that word phrase. Now, we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second, but not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does this mean? Well, let's look at your competitor. When I looked up air duct cleaning spring, these guys came up, and when we start scrolling through their site, we see content here, pictures, and they have almost 2,300 words on here. So what does all this mean? This is a tool right here I use called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see every keyword that you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site. So we can see here that you are not getting found for any keywords on your site, and you're getting 0 people to your website. And when we jump over here to your other one, you see right here I have your website, and now we're going to jump over to your other website. So there's the landing page URL. Now we can see here that you're getting found for 2 keywords on this one, and also you're getting 0 traffic, so 0 people clicking into your site for the month. Okay, so when we jump in here and we look at your competitor, here's their website. They're getting found for 308 keywords, right? They're getting 74 people a month to their website. And when we go in and we look at their keywords, we can just point out a couple here. Let's see. We have air duct cleaning spring text. They have 80 clicks a month for that, and they're sitting on the first page of Google on that one. Let's see another one. Air duct cleaning spring, 20 clicks a month. Houston dryer vent cleaning, 40 clicks a month. All right, well, we could go on because they have a lot of them on here. So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing to do is go and find what we call backlinks, okay? So what are backlinks? Let's say another air duct cleaning site from Houston, Spring, or even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, air duct cleaning. Linking back to your site saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, right? The more sites that we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google that you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out, we look at your competitor here, and we see that they have 400 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat it. And not all backlinks are created equal, right? So like getting a link from Starbucks, linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a general contractor or something like that linking back to you to tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have about 400 referring domains. Now, we don't want to get the same amount as them when it comes to links. We want to beat them by 20 or 30 links to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, to take that traffic. And then last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing we need to go get, and that's what we call citations. And I'm sure you know what the map pack is, right? You've heard of the map pack? So this is the map pack right here. And down below that is your organic. So when I search air duct cleaning spring, here's your top competitor. They're right here, Air Quality Express. I looked through the first 10 pages and I did not find Platinum AC and heating. So to get to organic, we got to get those keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then to get into this map pack up here, we have to go after what we call citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all those directories that are out there. We want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So we go over here to another resource that I use called whitespark.ca, and I did a report and I found the top listing on MapPacks, and it looks like he has, here he is right here, he has 10 citations, and you're sitting at 8 right now. Okay, so when you come into the map pack over here and you click on more businesses for air duct cleaning spring, you were nowhere to be found. All the way back, I went 30, 40 positions back, and you were nowhere to be found. Okay, so once again, we went over content. We got to get the content on your site. You've got a beautiful looking site, but we got to get the keyword relevant content. Then once we have that, we need to go after these backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up to start driving traffic to where you're getting 70 plus people a month to your site. And once we have that, we want to go after these backlinks. These citations. So those are the 3 things that I think if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the air duct industry that we could capture the traffic of thousands of clicks per month that you are not getting. All right? So I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me today. And like I said earlier, my name is Amy, and if you like what you've seen here today and you want to chat, you can reach me at lodestarseo.com for my contact info. Thank you and have a good day.